So what's that say?
Mat.
Yeah. Okay. Let's read the next page.
Okay. Mat. At. Sat.
Matt sat. Okay. Ooh, what's this one say?
At.
Oh. It's a different one. Do it.
At.
Sam.
Sam.
Uh-huh.
At.
So what's it say?
Sam.
Uh-huh. What's the second word?
Sat.
Yes, very good. Okay.
At. Mat.
Mm-hmm.
At. Sat.
What's that word?
Mat.
This one's Matt. What was this word?
Sat.
Close. Look what it ends with.
Mat.
Try again. Sam.
Sam.
Yeah. And what's the last word?
Sat.
Yeah.